Hello friends, welcome to After School, and in today's video we will see how to make a sprite land and then move around. So let's begin. So first we will add a when green flag click block, and then we will add a go to x and y position. In the x we will add negative 150 and y positive 50. So let's play it and it goes to the position. Now to make him land we will add a forever block, and then we will add a change y by block and set it to 1. Now let's see. Sorry, we need to put it to negative 1. Now it will come down. But it's so unrealistic, because in real life if you fall longer you will fall faster. So to do that we will create a new variable and we will name it speed y for this sprite only. Now first we will set our speed y to 0 at the start of the project, and in the forever block we are gonna change speed y by 1 and then change y by speed y. So now negative 1. Now he will fall faster, but he won't land because this is a background. To make him land we will add a if then block, and in it we are gonna add touching color, and we are gonna use the color picker and select our backdrop color. Now inside if touching color we will add a repeat until we are not touching color change y by 1. So now let's check. He comes back up but then goes down again. To solve this we are gonna change set speed y to 0. So now when he comes back he will stop, but we don't like when he goes down in the background and then come back up. To solve this we are gonna create a new block and we will name it fix overlap. Run without screen refresh. Now in the define fix overlap, put this whole repeat until block inside it, and in the if touching color then add the fix overlap block. Now let's check it. Now he lands. Now to add basic movement. To add that we are gonna add a if then block. In the sensing we are gonna add key up arrow pressed, then we are gonna change y by 10. Now let's see. If we press up arrow, he changes y to 10 but then comes faster down. To solve this we are gonna add or set speed y to 0. Now it's much smoother. Now we will add left and right movement. So we are gonna add another if then block, 2 block of if then, and in each one we are gonna add key space pressed and change first one with left arrow and the second one with right arrow. In the left arrow we will choose change x by negative 5, and in the key right arrow we are gonna add change x by positive 5, and at the last of our project we are gonna add or set speed y to 0. Now let's see. Or no, remove the speed y and now see. If you press up arrow, our sprite jumps. If you press left arrow, our sprite goes to left. If you press right arrow, our sprite goes to right. But there is a problem. If we jump, then we can jump forever, and we cannot bump our head in any side because it will just teleport us over. Or in the horizontal movement, we are just gonna go up and up without even pressing keys. To solve this will be in the next episode where we will solve this problem. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Subscribe please.